Oh, pork chop.
Wala kay apple, ma?
Oh, big. Oh.
Mapaliog sa electric pan, mabe. Butang nga naman kay naay.
Mabugnaw niya.
Di na ilangaw. Di na sila mukaunog na ilangaw. Smile, love. It's a video, actually. It's a big lechon, huh?
Look at it. Look at that blood. Look out there. It looks yummy. Pork chop.
Yeah.
I want to take a picture.
Wait, Shaira, please. Okay, you have to wait, anak. Please. Have to wait, anak, please.
The juice on that. That's enough.
That's enough?
For me.
Oh, where's James?
James. Right here. What's this?
That's inatayan, love.
Sinatayan.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, you want
pork.
some of that.
Oh, I've liked everything we've ate here. But we ain't had no fish here. But I mean,
Stay okay.
everything else has been so excellent.
That's pork.
Hey, wait,
Miming.
wait.
Where's James' plate?
I don't know. He ain't got one yet. He's too busy.
Dali na, ma'am. Ay, Grace. Pagkuha mo plate, Grace. What's your plate?
I cannot take pictures. Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Have you heard from Family Dental?
Oh yeah. Every day.
Try to.
But you know what? That's what I was telling Jen. I said, normally when I went on vacation, I've always got homesick about 3 or 4 days. Not this homesick.
Because you're home.
Yeah, I mean, I feel welcome.
You're home.
They're welcome. They've been really nice to me here. Take care of me.
Yeah, you are home.
Grace. Ano na, Grace? Pagkuha mo ang record.
Wala mama Jen.
Ha?
Mama papa.
Oh, mo ano na sa sila, busy pa ang live. Wait, ha?
Masa di pagkatali pagkudit na itong mangga Jen?
Oh.
Nagre mo na po yung balay no?
Wala ra. Wala ra po.
Yan ni mangga.
Ha?
Yan ni mangga.
Ay, sambag na.
Asan bag ni?
Oh, sambag.
On pants it.
You want pancit, love? Okay.
Pants it.
Grace.
Heinz.
That's did you get some natayan?
For a
Yes.
long night.
It all looks good. Oh my goodness.
You ate lechon ling? Hers?
Yeah. No, this is my first time for lechon.
Crispy.
I think.
Very crispy.
Pagkuha sa lechon, ma'am.
Sad.
Oh, sige.
It's pork
Saan
la
siya?
Pork la
Ano
roca.
nito ka lang?
Baroka.
Pork la roca.
My favorite.
We use our hands to get it.
Hi.
Huli, go ahead. You first.
No, I'm done.
Ah, okay.
I'm just waiting on the fork for the
Ah, okay.
sriracha.
Dali, dali.
Fruit salad.
Oh, thank you very much.
I got enough room. I got some. I got enough. Trust me.
Don't finish.
Jim was very generous. with
That's not
the
good
candy
for...
bar.
I only had a little for...
Hello, I use my hand for...
She said, "Oh,
She thought you were hungry.
she thought I
But
got to feed this.
everyone.
How about rice?
Like the crispy. Crispy.
Oh yeah, I got to feed this big guy. I can't let him go hungry.
Shrimp.
Yeah, love. Get something.
Here.
We can put it on the table.
More love.
Looks yummy.
Okay, that's good. I gotta get some more. I mean,
Ano rin?
Pansit.
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 Yeah. Pansit. For a long life.
For a
Long life.
That's
For a
right.
long life. Papa, pag nag-sugar na yung ano yun?
You know, I can make pasta.
Yeah. Pasta is good. That's pork.
This is pork.
Yeah, pork laroca.
Sweetheart. You getting pancit?
Hindi ba maglato ka lang? Hindi mo pa. Kamu na dong.
Ah, una lang pre. Paksit na pagkaroon kay murag
Ha?
lang. Mapaksit na pagkaroon. Ari.
Dali na daw. Kasi lawi kayo ang pubo.
Mahal di mo ni, ma'am?
Ha?
Mahal di mo?
Ako gusto na akong anak te.
Ay, naku, lulay buyag.
Buyag, busi. Daga na taon for buyag te.
Ano madami ka?
O sarasan te. Lagi. Di ba nga ako? Sige, kayo na dito pa kalit pa luto. Di ba nga ako? Di ko din mo.
Mm.
Pagkuha mo siya.